Alright viewers, I just created this amazing AI music video with a single click using a powerful tool called Freebeat AI. This platform is incredibly impressive because it can generate complete AI music videos, music content, and many other creative assets automatically. Before we begin, let me first show you the potential of this niche. I'm currently on YouTube, and as you can see, AI music video content is getting massive views. I opened one of these channels and checked its most popular videos. Just look at this, 11 million views, and many other videos have millions and hundreds of thousands of views as well. This means that if we start creating this type of content consistently, we can build our own YouTube channel, grow an audience. Without wasting any time, let's open the Freebeat AI website. Viewers, this platform is absolutely incredible, and today's entire tutorial is focused on it. One thing I really like about Freebeat AI is that it offers much more than just music video generation. If we open the toolbox section and go to Creative Agents, you'll find features like music to music video, ideas to full-length video, translation, image editing, and much more. If we explore the music apps category, you'll see tools such as music to dance video and music to lyrics video. In the video apps section, there are even more creative applications available, so this platform isn't limited to music creation. It also supports video generation, image editing, creative automation, and many other AI-powered features. That's what makes Freebeat AI stand out from many other tools on the market. Now let's move to the What Do You Want to Create section. Here you'll find multiple options such as singing music video, storytelling music video, abstract music video, real-time beat music video, effects-based videos, and many more. If we click on the More option, we can also see video to music and music cover video generation features. Today, I'll select one of these options and demonstrate how you can generate a realistic AI music video from start to finish. For this example, I'm selecting the Singing Music Video option. After selecting it, I'll click on Add Music. Here, I can either upload my own music file or choose music directly from the platform's library. I'll go to the Select Music section where you can choose any audio length you want, whether it's 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or even longer. For this demonstration, I'm setting the duration to 50 seconds. After selecting the duration, I'll simply click on Confirm. Now the platform asks me to describe what kind of video I want. Below that, there are many customization options available, including character styles, captions, visual effects, and much more. For this example, I'll type a simple prompt: enjoy the vibes. At the moment, I don't want to use any character because I first want to show you how Freebeat AI generates a basic music video automatically. Next, I'll choose a video style. As you can see, there are many styles available, including high energy, photorealistic, anime, 2D, 3D, and many others. For this demonstration, I'll select the anime style. Once everything is configured, I'll simply click on Create and confirm my selection. Now viewers, take a look at this. Freebeat AI has automatically created a complete production pipeline. It is analyzing the music, generating a creative brief, planning the storyboard, creating images, organizing video clips, and preparing the final merge process. The generation has officially started. One of the biggest strengths of Freebeat AI is that it doesn't randomly generate content. Instead, it follows a structured workflow. It carefully analyzes your music, understands the rhythm, creates a story, generates visuals, builds scenes, and then combines everything together to produce a professional-looking music video. As you can see, I only uploaded the music file, selected a video style, and clicked the Create button. I didn't manually create scenes or edit clips. The AI is handling everything automatically. Now the platform is processing the project. Without wasting any more time, the entire generation process has been completed, and our final video is ready. Just take a look at the result. This is absolutely amazing.
Hold on tight, we don't slow. Hands up high, let it go, out of control.
Look at the motion, the creativity, the scene transitions, and the overall visual quality. Freebeat AI has synchronized everything perfectly with the music and automatically generated an engaging anime-style music video. The final output looks professional, visually appealing, and highly engaging for viewers. This time, we'll generate another AI music video, but instead of creating a simple video, we'll use a character and explore some of the advanced customization features available inside Freebeat AI. Once again, I'll click on Add Music and upload the music file that I've already selected. This time, instead of choosing the Singing Music Video option, I'm going to select Abstract MV. Now let's see how we can generate an amazing abstract-style music video using Freebeat AI. After selecting the music, I'm going to add a character. I have already generated a character image beforehand, so I'll simply upload it here and click Continue. Next, I'll move to the Video Style section. This time, instead of anime, I'm going to select the photorealistic style because I want a more realistic and cinematic result. After that, I'll continue to the lyrics section. As you can see, there are multiple lyric options available here. You can choose any lyrics that fit your music. For this demonstration, I'll simply select one of the available options and continue. Now everything is ready. My captions, video style, character, and other settings have been configured successfully. At this point, I'll simply click on the Create button. You'll also notice, you can see, the platform has once again created its complete production pipeline. However, this time I'm not going to waste your time because you've already seen how the generation process works. Instead, let me show you something really interesting. Since I uploaded a character image, Freebeat AI automatically generated multiple reference images of my character. It created different poses, variations, and visual references based on the original image I provided. There we go. Viewers, my second AI music video is now ready. Just look at this.
Stage full of smoke and borrowed love. Your laugh hits hard when the whole world buckles up. White line blinking past like a warning sign. Still you pull me.
This video looks absolutely incredible. You can see how accurately the lip syncing matches the music. The character's mouth movements are synchronized with the vocals, creating a much more realistic and professional-looking result. Not only that, but the camera movements, zoom effects, cinematic angles, and dramatic visual style make the entire video feel highly engaging and polished. The final result is right in front of you and it looks fantastic. Let me also show you some of the editing features available inside the platform. As you can see, the captions are already included automatically. If you want to make additional changes, you can do that directly inside the editor. Everything is available inside a single workspace, making the editing process simple and convenient. Now let's quickly talk about the pricing plans. I'll open the pricing page and show you what options are available. Currently, there are various plans that include access to powerful AI music and video generation tools. Depending on the package, you can unlock additional features, higher generation limits, and premium creative capabilities. There are different plans available, including Basic, Pro, Unlimited, and Creator plans. These plans include access to multiple advanced AI tools and features that can help you create professional quality music videos, AI-generated content, and much more. So if you're serious about creating AI music videos, viral content, or creative projects, you can choose the plan that best fits your needs and start generating amazing content right away.